Good morning, students. We are doing the chapter Admission of a Partner. When a partner admits in a firm, at that time the firm reconstituted, and in this chapter we have already learned that we will have to calculate sacrificing ratio and new ratio. Today in this chapter we will learn what is the accounting treatment of premium for goodwill. What is premium for goodwill? We have learned earlier how we can calculate the value of goodwill, what are the methods of goodwill, we have learned. And today we will learn what is the accounting treatment of premium for goodwill. Students, you should know, whenever a partner enters in the firm, at that time he brings some amount for his capital or some amount of premium for goodwill. So today we will learn, when a new partner brings the amount of premium for goodwill, what would be the accounting treatment in the books of partnership. So let's see. First of all, we will solve a numerical problem, then you will understand all the things very well. Let's see. Here is an example. There are two partners. The name of the partners are M and J, and they were sharing their profit in the ratio 3:2. They admit R is a new partner. They admit R as a new partner. The new profit sharing ratio between M, J, R, because we have three partners now. M, J and R is a new partner. The number of partners are 3 now. So M, J, R will be 5:3:2. Means they will distribute the profit among them in the ratio 5:3:2. Now, as I have told you, whenever a partner admits in the firm, at that time he brings some amount. So it is written in the question, R brought 25,000 for his share of premium for goodwill. The new partner R admits in the firm and he brings the amount of 25,000 as premium for goodwill. Pass necessary journal entries for the treatment of goodwill. Now we will solve this problem. Let's see. As it is written in your question, old partners' name are M and J. Okay, and they were distributing their profit in the ratio 3:2. It means this is the old ratio. Now, after admitting R, their ratio is given in your question, M, J, R. 5:3:2. So we will write here 5:3:2. This is new ratio. As we have learned, first of all we will find the sacrificing ratio. What is the sacrificing ratio? We will find with the help of formula. As you know, sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Now we will find sacrificing ratio of M. What is the ratio of M? 3:2 means 3/5 we can write here. And what is the ratio of new ratio of M? It is also written 5:3:2 means minus 5/10. Okay, now we will solve. It will be 1/10. In the same way, we will find the sacrificing ratio of J. What is the old ratio of J? 2/5 minus. What is the old ratio of new ratio of J? New ratio of J is given 3/10. Now we will solve. It will also be 1/10. You are seeing here. So we can say sacrificing ratio will be 1:1. Okay. First of all, we will find the sacrificing ratio in this question. And after doing this, now as you know, the new partner R brings 25,000 for premium for goodwill. We can write PFG, but you will not write in the examination PFG. There you will write the full form. We are using the short form of profit for goodwill, premium for goodwill. Okay, so because this is PFG means premium for goodwill, which is brought by the new partner R 25,000. Now we will pass the journal entry. Now you will see here the first entry. There are two entries. The first entry is cash account debit to premium for goodwill. What is the amount? 25,000. In this way we will pass this entry, and the second entry will be whatever the amount is brought by the new partner, that amount will be distributed by the old partners, but in the ratio of sacrifice. Means sacrificing ratio will be found for distributing the premium for goodwill which was brought by the new partner. Understood? What is the entry? Premium for goodwill account debit to, you will write here the names of the old partner. M capital and M's capital account and J's capital account. What is the amount of premium for goodwill? It is 25,000. And you are seeing the sacrificing ratio is 1:1 means equal. So we will write here 12,500 and 12,500 means this 25,000 will be distributed by the old partners equally because their sacrificing ratio is equal. But the rule is the old partners will distribute the amount of premium for goodwill which was brought by the new partner in their sacrificing ratio. This is very important. The amount of premium for goodwill will be distributed among the old partners in the sacrificing ratio. Okay? I think you have understood what is the accounting treatment and how will we solve this question.